A little one. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a roller on a garage door. What you just need is ice grips and a pair of gloves to wear when working on a garage door roller change, so you don't get grease on your hands. Make sure you have your gloves on. And a vice grip to bend the vertical track back so you can open up this spot so you don't have to take the track apart. Just do it like this. Once you bend it enough, then release the vice grip. Once you bend this spot, just get the door down and pull out the old roller and pop in the new one.
Before working on replacing a garage door roller, make sure you disconnect the garage door.
Get the garage door down. And here. Once you got it out, pull out the old roller. Get a fresh new replacement roller, pop it in. There. Simple. Just get it into the track. You just have to put a little pressure on the track to give it more of a gap. And once you do, you pop in the roller. Instead of popping this metal vertical track off. And do the other one. And be very careful when doing this, because if not, this garage door will fall on you. And always make sure you're very, very careful with this garage door, even with big doors like this. And once you get this popped out to the track, very carefully, take out the old roller. And pop in a fresh new one. Same thing with the other one. Make sure your hands is out of the way of the gap so you don't get your hands crushed while doing this yourself. So let's see. Yep, that's good. Better way to have it hold open. Don't have to worry about holding on it for too long, but I always have to lose control of it. Understand? She did, but use it manual.
All secured and installed with the new rollers. Now let's give it a quick run.
And once you're done replacing the bottom sections and going up from the top, all you need to do is use your vice grip and bend back the track. Okay, it's all bent back, so now let's do the right side. Just need to pull out the old roller. Get your fresh new replacement one and put it into the hinge. do the top hinge. I'm going to use my 11mm socket to remove those 2 bolts that's mounting the top hinge. Always make sure you have the door in the closed position. And pump off the hinge. Once you do it, pop it back into the garage door panel. And put the bolts back on.
Once you do the top roller, make sure you tighten those 2 11mm bolts. I already did, just gonna snug them to make sure they're fully tight and not loose. Once you're done replacing the garage door rollers, re-engage the garage door trolley to the opener